What's going on, guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel as always. I got a new video for you today, of course. Graham's Beard Care, if you ever heard of them. They're coming out with a new scent. It's an awesome scent. I think it comes out this coming Friday. Whenever you see this video, it'll be out that Friday. Hopefully I get my stuff together and it'll be out. If you're not familiar with Graham's Beard Care, he uses full Spectrum CBD oil, 500 milligrams. Awesome stuff. He replaced his grapeseed oil with avocado oil in his products. Amazing products. I did his barbershop line. If I didn't post that yet, it will be posted here soon. Just time for me anymore, guys, is just really cramped up, and I'm trying to get all these reviews in that I can. That way, I'm caught up once and finally. But anyway, stay tuned after the intro, and we'll get right into this video. Welcome back, guys. Thanks for coming back to the channel as always. I appreciate all the support. If you are new to the channel, if you've seen a couple of my videos and you like them, please hit that subscribe button. Show me some support. I'll show you love right back. I try to post in the comments below with everybody. Some awesome people down in the comments as well. Tonight we're going to go over another product from Graham's Beard Co. Just this guy, Shawn, the owner, is an amazing dude. Started talking to him a few months back. Really nice guy. He knows how to make good products. There's no junk in these products. They're safe for your beard, safe for your skin. Just his scents absolutely blow my mind on some of these scents that he comes up with. The one, I can't remember the name of it. It's got like a smokiness to it. It's just absolutely amazing. Tonight we're going to go over a new product he's come out with. His original Captain's Breath. I can't remember quite what was in the ingredients scent-wise, but with this one he added coconut and lime, and I believe it was, let me look at the bottle. Okay, it's right on the bottle. Sorry, guys. This is his Captain's Breath redo, but with tropical island, with a touch of a tropical island, I'll say. Very good stuff. His Captain's Breath was a rum and Cuban cigar, which is absolutely phenomenal. That Cuban cigar that he uses, oh my goodness, good stuff. This is an updated version, like I said. He added coconut and lime. This is his Tropical Island Captain's Breath. I had to make sure I said that right. And he mixed this in such a way, it's just great. The label on it, got the vibrant colors, just amazing. And on the bottle open, you're gonna get that dominant coconut, maybe a touch of that lime, but once you put it in beard throughout the day, that Cuban cigar just kind of floats through the air like that. That's like one of my personal favorite scents anymore, is like that Cuban cigar. It's got that sweet scent to it. Consistency wise, I'll show you guys real quick. Nice medium consistency. And like I said, he did away with grapeseed and added avocado oil. Oh man, that smells so good. If you are into rum or rum and Cuban cigar with that little bit of tropical to it, Captain's Breath Tropical Island is the one you guys gotta try. I'm sorry, guys, I keep getting my words jumbled up. Jeez. Sorry. The next one of my favorite butters of 2021 is his Tropical Island Beard Butter. Same scent profile. The ingredients are shea butter, mango butter, jojoba oil, argan oil, hemp seed oil, CBD oil, and avocado oil. And remember, like I said, it's 500 milligrams of CBD oil. And for all the CBD guys out there, Shawn will be happy to answer any of your questions. His website will be down below. I promise you guys, you want to try this stuff. It's really, really good stuff. His beard butter, look at the softness of this. And it's freezing cold up in this studio. Actually, I'm going to throw some in for you guys. Just kind of show you how it emulsifies real fast. It's already melting. Check that out. Bam. And like I said, that Cuban cigar and that rum, oh man, it's like the perfect mix. Like, it's not too much of one thing and not enough of the other. It's just the perfect amount. Oh man, my beard's gonna be soft in a couple minutes now. Also, if you guys want to save a little bit of money, use Tastic 20. I'll put it right here at checkout. It'll save you 20% on anything you purchase. Tropical Island Captain's Breath. This is his redo for his original Captain's Breath. Guys, this stuff is amazing. Graham's Beard Care is one of my favorite companies going into 2021. I've been talking to Shawn for a few months now, and he's an outstanding guy. He puts the time in to make these products. Every time I'm talking to him, he's creating something. He's mixing something. He's pouring something. He's grinding. Not saying all these other companies aren't grinding, but this guy, he makes some pretty kick-ass products. If you haven't tried him, I highly recommend you try him out. Shawn, thanks, brother, again for sending this out. I appreciate it. Thank all you guys for sticking around for the review and all the support throughout the last 2 years. I super appreciate that. Any product you buy from Graham's, you won't go wrong. I think you'll enjoy every single one of his products. But that's just my opinion, guys, like I said. Anyway, thanks, guys. I appreciate all the support. Until the next video, take care. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.